Hello and welcome to Prime News. Now a look at the headlines. Pratapsingh Rane and Vishwajit Rane apply for anticipatory bail. CBI court grants interim relief to Ranes. Matter for hearing on 8 July. NGT orders mining companies to submit details of mining plans, closure and restoration plan. Matter to be heard by 6th August. Governor was told to quit on Friday morning. Sources say Union Ministry called Vanchu to quit a few hours before CBI sleuths entered Raj Bhavan. Admission to HIV positive students in high school at Rivona upsets parents. Don't mix normal pupils with HIV affected students, demand parents. And Brazil to face Germany in FIFA World Cup semi-finals, but the host will miss injured star striker Neymar and captain Thiago Silva. Now the news in detail. Senior Congress leader Pratapsingh Rane and his son Vishwajit Rane have filed an anticipatory bail application before the CBI court at Mapsa. The court has issued notice to Goa police. The court has also granted interim bail to Ranes. Next date of hearing is 8 July.
To evade the possible arrest, former Chief Minister and present opposition leader Pratapsingh Rane and his son Vishwajit Rane on Saturday filed an anticipatory bail application before the CBI court. Both Ranes are accused of demanding and accepting bribe in return of EC for a mining lease. The CBI court has issued notice to Goa police and has directed the investigating officer to file his say by next date of hearing. The court will hear this matter on Tuesday. Meanwhile, granting relief to senior and junior Rane, the court has directed police not to arrest them till next date of hearing. SIT of Goa police has booked Pratapsingh Rane and his son Vishwajit Rane after a statement made by Chairman and Managing Director of Dahej Minerals Limited, Bhalchandra Naik. Naik in his statement given to police has alleged that Pratapsingh Rane had demanded a bribe of 10 crore rupees in order to get environment clearances for his mine at Pariye during his tenure as Chief Minister. Reporter Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Now, National Green Tribunal has ordered to file details of mining plan, closure plan and restoration done. Companies have to submit detailed report of the steps taken by them in the form of operation and implementation of the management plan. Matter is adjourned till 6th August. NGT is not inclined to dismiss the matter and want to hear it fully on restoration of environmental damage.
After Supreme Court, now Goa mining firms has to face the heat of the National Green Tribunal. NGT has ordered to submit the detailed plan of mining operation. Now it can create hurdle in resumption of mining in the state. NGT has ordered to file details of mining plan, closure plan and restoration done after end of mining operation. Court has asked mining companies to submit report on steps taken by them in form of operation and implementation of the management plan. It also indicates that to what extent the issues have been addressed as contemplated in the management plan and time frame within which they seek to comply with the relevant issues enumerated in the management plan. Hearing on the matter is adjourned till 6th August. Till date, mining companies has to file the report before the NGT. Petition was filed by the Goa Paryavaran Sanrakshan Sangharsh Samiti. Reporter Mahesh Ghadi for Prudent.
Goa Governor Bharat Virvanchu had conveyed his readiness to resign from the post as the executive head of the state a couple of hours before CBI officials arrived at Raj Bhavan to record his statement in Augusta Westland chopper deal case. Sources close to the outgoing governor told Prudent that the governor had received a call from the Union Home Ministry to step down in the early hours of Friday morning. The timing of the call, just before CBI's arrival at the governor's palace, has raised many questions. Here is the inside story.
When the NDA took over the reins of India, they decided to replace the UPA-appointed governors. Although some of them declined to resign citing a Supreme Court order, some agreed to leave the lawns of Raj Bhavan behind. Goa Governor Bharat Virvanchu is one of them. Sources close to the governor informed Prudent that the Union Home Ministry told Vanchu to vacate his office couple of hours before CBI team arrived at the governor's palace. This was the first time Centre had expressed its view on Vanchu's ouster. He was not given any idea about this move even during his meeting with the Union Home Minister Rajnath Singh. This is how Governor reacted when he got the exit call. After receiving the call, Governor told his close confidants, "I am a non-political person and I can confidentially say that I am a non-political appointee. So it makes no sense in continuing when the Union government wants me to go. I will resign immediately." Surprisingly, the call from the Union Home Ministry came on a morning when CBI sleuths were supposed to record his statement as witness in Augusta Westland chopper deal case. Although the two incidents are disconnected, the timing of the call raised many eyebrows. Congress spokesperson Durgadas Kamath called on the governor on Saturday.
आता डिबेट करपाची गरज आसा की अख्खे इंडियेन गव्हर्नर पोस्टिंग जे करतात आमी ते पॉलिटिकल अपॉइंटी आसपा जाय काय भरतवीर वांचू सारको मनीस आसपा जाय. ताजे एक्सपेन्स पळयात तुमी काडून. म्हाका दिसता खंयच्याच गव्हर्नरान हाज्या परस डबल एक्सपेन्स केला आसतले. तो सेक्युरिटी घेनासतना भोंवतालो. एक एग्जाम्पल सेट केले ताणें एक मॉडल गव्हर्नर कसो आसचो तो. पूण दुर्दैवाची गजाल की भारतीय जनता पार्टीन ताका टार्गेट केला आनी ताणें स्वता जावन आपलें नांव राखपा खातीर ताणें राजिनामो दिल्लो आसा. वांचून केन्नाच आपले गव्हर्नर हावस पॉलिटिकल फोर्टान कन्वर्ट केलें ना. थंयच्यान केन्नाच राजकारण जालें ना की पयलीं अशें चलतालें ते मागीर खंयचेय गव्हर्नर आसूं.
Many of the insiders within the ruling coalition and even the opposition agree that B.V. Vanchu never acted in a biased manner. Nor did he encourage any attempt by some disgruntled MLAs to topple this government, although his resignation hasn't been a shock to many. Most of them say that he's one of the finest governors Goa received in the recent times. Bureau Report, Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.